Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 50, idioms. Now in this chapter we are going to study about various types of idioms, and then we will also read about their meanings along with their examples as their sentence. So let's begin with it. The first idiom given over here is raining cats and dogs. Now here they are saying raining cats and dogs. That does not mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky in the form of rain. No, it is just an idiom which means raining very heavily. And the sentence for this is, it was raining cats and dogs last night. The next idiom is a piece of cake. We are not talking about a piece of cake actually. We are talking about is, we mean that it is very easy. And the sentence for this is, this puzzle is a piece of cake for me. The next idiom is break the ice. This means start a conversation. Suppose everyone is silent sitting and nobody is talking. So in order to begin a conversation, we can say and use this idiom, John, why don't you break the ice? That doesn't mean we are talking about breaking a piece of an ice cube. We mean that start a conversation. Then the sentence for this is, she told a joke to break the ice. The next idiom given over here is hit the sack. Now hit the sack, it means go to bed. I am tired, I'll hit the sack early tonight. मैं थक गया हूँ या मैं थक गई हूँ, मैं आज बिस्तर पर जल्दी जाऊँगी. Okay? We are not saying that we will hit a sack. Then next we have under the weather. Now under the weather means feeling sick. And the sentence given for here is, I didn't go to school, I was under the weather. The next idiom is once in a blue moon, very rarely is the meaning for it. Okay, once in a blue moon means very rarely, kabhi kabhi, kabhi kabar. So the sentence here is, we go out for dinner once in a blue moon. Then the seventh idiom that they have given is, let the cat out of the bag. बिल्ली को बाहर जाने दो, बैग से बाहर निकलने दो. No, it actually means reveal a secret by mistake. And the sentence for this is, he let the cat out of the bag about the test. Then next, a blessing in disguise, which means something good that seemed bad at first. Sentence for this is, losing the match was a blessing in disguise. Then let's move on to the ninth idiom. The ninth idiom is cost an arm and a leg. And the meaning of this is very expensive. किसी चीज़ की कॉस्ट उन्हें ऐसी पड़ी जैसे कोई आर्म हो या लेग हो तो नहीं. उनका मतलब यहाँ पर है कुछ ऐसा जो कि बहुत ही महंगा पड़ा, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. एंड द सेंटेंस हियर इज, दैट फोन कॉस्ट एन आर्म एंड अ leg. So this is how you can modify your English by using certain idioms in your pronunciation, in your language, and this will make your conversation very interesting. Moving on to the next idiom now. The next idiom given over here is cold feet. Now that means get nervous. The sentence for cold feet is, he got cold feet before the exam. So what is the idiom? Cold feet, यानी कि पाँव ठंडे होना, means getting nervous. Last idiom given here is on cloud 9. क्या इसका ये मतलब है कि हम 9वें आसमान में हैं? No, it means very happy. So what can be the sentence? They have given she was on cloud 9 after winning. तो वो 9वें आसमान में थी जब वो जीत गई. No, that means she was very happy when she won the match or when she was winning. So this is all about the various idioms given in this chapter. I hope you all must have understood the meanings along with the examples that are given in the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.